Hi. In this second presentation in our course, we will address the installation of the Xilinx ISE 14.7 design suite, which you will use every week during this course. So after watching this presentation, I hope that you will be able to download and install this design suite and also the corresponding Webpack license. Please notice that there is a document available in our tutorials folder that offers a number of detailed instructions for this purpose, but I recommend you that you go through this presentation in first place so that when you follow this document you will know beforehand what you are expected to do. Now, the installation sequence comprises the steps shown in this slide, and we will go through each one of them quickly now. You will have to start by accessing the relevant page in the Xilinx website, and you can use this short URL for that purpose. And on this page you should select the full installer for Windows option under the ISE Design Suite 14.7 section. Now please notice that it's a more than 6 GB star file, so it will take a while to download. In my case, actually, this slide now was more than half an hour later. I think it was like something like 45 minutes later. Now when the downloading process is complete, you will have to decompress the .tar file, and after doing so you will be able to run the xsetup executable file to start the installation process. Now you will have to go through a few quick questions during this process before starting the actual installation process, and the first two of these windows address the license agreement, so you should accept these two conditions, move to the next window and then accept the third condition. And that's when you should select the ISE Webpack option and move on to define the installation options. I guess these are the installation options defined by default, so I just kept them as they were. You should now validate or modify the destination directory. In my case, I just used the recommended directory, and you are finally able to start the installation process. Now, this is the second point where it will take a while, and this may be more than half an hour as well. But after concluding the installation process, you are almost done. What you need to do is you must get a license. So you should go to the Xilinx License Configuration Manager and select the Get Free Vivado ISE Webpack license. Then by clicking on Next, the License Configuration Manager will gather information automatically from your computer, and then when clicking on Connect Now, you will be taken to the Xilinx website. After logging in, you will be taken to the product licensing page, where you should select the ISE Webpack license and click on Generate Node Locked License. You will go through a quick succession of information windows, and finally you will get a confirmation message informing that your license file has been sent by email to your inbox. Now all you have to do is to go to your inbox as shown here, and there you have the license. So you should start by storing it in a temporary folder and then go back to the License Manager, Xilinx License Manager, which is under the Xilinx Design Tools heading in your program list, and just follow those instructions here. So if you click on Load License and select the appropriate file, and that's it, you are done, you're ready to go. So you just have to go to the Project Navigator and start working. Now, two final recommendations. One is that you should now move on to the more detailed Xilinx installation notes that you have available in the tutorials folder, and go through the various steps with that document open. Now please notice that there is a detailed tutorial introducing the ISE 14.7 Design Suite available in the same tutorials folder, and you should go through this tutorial step by step. So this is actually the proposed exercise for this week. It is a very important tutorial because you will be using this design suite for every week during our course, so you should be well acquainted with it. Last but not least, please notice that these installation notes were prepared for Windows 7, so there will be differences in Windows 8. But you should find help via Google or through other appropriate places in the internet, as you can see here. So thank you for your attention.